You're a superhero.
Hello guys, this is Jason and today I'll be showing you 10 ways to clean up your computer. First of all, you should clean up your temporary files. You have to press Windows plus R and this window will pop up. Then type temp and hit enter. Select all the files and delete them. Then hit Windows plus R again and now type %temp% and hit enter. Again, select everything and delete the files. Next up, we will disable some programs from Startup. You should hit Ctrl Shift plus Escape and the task manager should open. Go to Startup and disable whatever you don't want to be launching with your Windows by right-clicking every element and selecting Disable. Afterwards, we will perform a disk cleanup. Hit Windows, type disk cleanup and hit enter. Select the drive you want to clean, which most of the times is the system files drive, and press OK. After the scan is completed, select Clean up system files and let it scan again. When the scan finishes, select every box and click OK. Another way to boost your performance is to change the power settings. Hit the Windows button and then type power plan and hit enter. Then, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down to Processor Power Management and set minimum processor state at 0% and maximum processor state at 100%. Finally, if you have a selection for your graphics power, set it to maximize performance. In addition, you can try to disable some features you don't need to see on Windows. For example, hit the Windows button once again, type Adjust Appearance and hit enter. You should deselect the features that don't affect your overall experience and will boost your computer speeds. Another way is to disable the tips and suggestions of Windows. Hit the Windows button, type Tips, and then hit enter. Scroll down till you find Get Tips, Tricks, and Suggestions and tick the box. Many people doesn't find that necessary, but deactivating the location settings help a lot on computer performance. So hit the Windows button and type location. Click the button change and switch it to off. Also, sometimes you might have noticed Cortana. This is a voice activation setting that it consumes a lot of resources. So in order to deactivate that, you should hit the Windows button once again and type voice activation and then switch the button to off. For number 9, we have to disable transparency. In order to do that, for the last time of the video, you will hit the Windows button and you will type transparency and hit enter. Then, in transparency effect, you should switch the button to off. Coming to an end, it may sound stupid, but sometimes people forget to shut down their computers or maybe restart them, so restarting your computer will help a lot too. That was the video guys, make sure you leave a like, press subscribe and don't forget to turn on notifications. Also, I would be grateful if you could join our Discord server, the link of which is down in the description. We have a friendly community to talk to, Pokemon channels, gaming tournaments and numerous enjoyable roles. Do you have giveaways? Yes, of course we have. Come on and check them out.